5 digital products to sell on Etsy that make over $200 every day. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at some of the top digital products that you can create and sell on Etsy and how you can make over $200 every day. So let's get into it. Now, digital products are an amazing category to get started with on Etsy, especially if you're someone that is not comfortable making, physical products, having to store them, having to ship them. That can be very difficult. So just creating digital products on Etsy is so useful, and there are so many different categories and specific products that you can go on ahead and create very easily without having to have any artistic skill. You can create these products and you will be able to easily, get passive income without having to actively work for these products. So let's get into it. Now, the first item that I have, and I will show you guys a bit more detailed with Allura, is a extension that you can use with your Etsy business. It is super easy and it really allows you to search and, browse Etsy and get detailed stats. But first off, I'm gonna discuss some products that are super, super trendy. They're new. They're not the same old product because everyone knows, okay, journals make money and all of those basic products make money, but you need to target a specific niche to be able to get your audience. If you open up an Etsy store and just create a couple of digital planners, digital calendars, all that, no one's gonna buy them unless you're really targeting a niche. So you wanna make sure that your product is targeting a niche. And this is what I like to do with these kinds of a digital product. So first off, which is a custom royal pet portrait, which is going to be printable wall art. You're not going to actually have to create this art. You can easily use a open source AI. So you might have heard of Lensa, you might have heard of ChatGPT. There are a bunch of different open AIs. So if you just go on to openai.com, you can go on ahead into their API. They have a bunch of different APIs, and they also have the DALL-E API, which allows you to super easily create your little Discord server. And in that Discord server, all you have to do is upload an image, and from your image, you can easily create a digital wall art like this. You just enter the image that your client provides you, and you enter how you want it to be. So you're just going to add Renaissance portrait, and then it will automatically generate this image for you. So it is so simple and easy, and it's very passive. It's not active work at all. I do have a detailed video on the YouTube channel about how to create these kinds of pictures, so do check those out if you want to know in specific how to create this kind of picture or this kind of digital product. So this is a super fresh product. This is not something that has been done over the past couple of years. Open source AIs have recently become super popular, and hence why this is my top product right now. But other than that, now, I'm not saying that if you open up a new store and start selling this, you're going to make hundreds of dollars. No. If you open up a new store, obviously it's going to be a learning curve, but once you get a steady amount of customers and traction, then you will get that level. But you do have to build your store. You do have to reduce prices in the start to be able to generate income. Now, you can see these kinds of portraits are going anywhere around $5 to $15. So let's say you charge an average of $12. So if I open up my calculator, now it's a digital product, so you're incurring no cost. And if you're making $12 and you sell 5 pieces a day, that's going to be $60 every day. And then if you do that by 30 days, you can easily earn 1,800 USD on just passive income. Now, this is a very simple statistic for when you are opening up your business, and this is with one product only. Now, after that, the second product that I recommend, and if you go on Etsy and just search for digital product, you'll be able to actually see what is trending and what is a top seller. And with digital planners, they have been around for such a long time, but digital planners are still super popular. So what I actually recommend is that instead of creating like a digital planner that is super basic, which is like a digital planner like this has been done hundreds and hundreds of times. Usually they are integrated with GoodNotes or any other planning software or note-taking software. You can create a planner that is specific. So you can create a restaurant planner, you can create a business planner, you can create a planner for studies. So instead of going with a basic digital planner, create a specific niche in the planner category. And that is going to be a lot more beneficial. You're going to get a lot more traction, and you're going to be able to really target that audience easily with creating a specific planner. All of these products can easily be created using Canva. You can click on create a design. You can even search on Canva for a basic template, and then if you just search for planner, you're going to get a bunch of different templates, and then you can go on ahead and fill them out and make them more custom, make them more easy for your users to use, and sell them on Etsy. Now if you go on to Allura is a great little platform that will enable you to get more detailed stats on your Etsy store, on other Etsy stores. So you can click on start for free over here. You can enter your name and password. If you already have an account, you can sign in. So I've just signed in over here, and you're going to click on product research on the left side of your screen. The sign in process is very simple. Just enter your basic information such as your email and a suitable password. Now after that, you're going to go ahead and go into your Allura extension. You can download the extension. It's a simple Chrome extension, and this helps you to actually analyze everything as it is. So I already have, this downloaded, so I'm just going to enable it on my screen over here, and I will show you guys how this works. So now that I have turned on Allura, now you can see over here, I can open up a specific product. So I'll open this one up, and I can open up the Allura extension now. And you can see on the bottom, now it's giving me a lot more. So this has 5 sales. This has a revenue of $62. It is 23 people have favorited this specific one. Now if I search for dog portrait from photo, and now if I go into Allura, the extension is just going to analyze all the different items that are available. So you can see this is another pet portrait, and I'm just going to open this up to show you guys the stats that Allura is going to give me. And these are just a bunch of different random listings that I'm pulling out of Etsy. I'm showing you guys how you can analyze the market as well. So you can see this has over 13,000 sales and has generated over 100K in revenue with over 7,000 reviews and 58,000 favorites. So this is going to be a super easy way for you to be able to generate income and, create your own business off of these passive products, because these products don't take any time. Now you can see over here, this has over 2,000 in sales. As I was telling you guys, this is like a new form of art. So you can easily go on ahead and, begin creating these with the Wall-E API. And because this is such a new product, you're going to be able to get more sales. In digital products, you can also do some very specific products such as, so you can see over here, you have a art scene creator. It is, you have a bunch of different frame mockups. You can have vintage frames, clip arts, so on and so forth. So greenery frames, all of these are also a very viable product to have. And once you create, a specific amount of frames, you don't have to do any more work. You can just begin selling them, and that is it. So these are used oftentimes. You can also do stickers. So in terms of stickers, I mean stickers in which people can label their items. So labeling stickers are another amazing category that you can sell on Etsy. It's just a digital product. You just do the designing, and once you design it, you sell it on Etsy. People print it on their own, and you're going to be able to generate more sales with that as well. So other than just basic planners, go for specific niched planners, go for specific niched journals like wellness journals, fitness journals, educational journals, study journals, because making a general product is not as profitable on Etsy anymore. You want to be very specific with what you're creating, so you're going to be able to target that audience. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with, creating your own digital products. You can see I've shown you a bunch of different examples of some amazing digital products that are selling pretty well. You can also download this extension and do some of your own research, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video.